Good evening, Spot On Weather meteorologist Matthew Euler, and I'm back just after, actually it's probably about 10:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and you can see what's going on. We still got the steady, continuous snow coming down from the sky. In general, I'd say the rate has been fairly constant since the last video, but we do have some changes that I wanted to show you here around 10:30 this evening. If you look at some of the containers here, a lot more covered than earlier, all right? And if you look at the grass, it's definitely more covered than earlier. And I'm gonna work my way out. If you look at the diameter of these flakes in the light, pretty good sized diameter flakes coming down still. We still have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere is what this is indicating. And if you look up again, you can see the snowflakes just coming down from the sky right now. And there's lots of them. I'm going to turn this direction. You can see all these snowflakes coming down. You see, go back out here. All right. Let's see if we can adjust this again. All right, and then if we go back out to the light, we still just have a steady light snow coming down at the present time. Let's see if I'll play around with this a little bit. Okay, there we go. So you see what's going on here. Steady light snow, strong area of low pressure developing offshore, and it's resulting in this steady light snow across Virginia Beach this evening. There's a nice view of what's falling from the sky here on the 28th of January 2022, and some other changes since the last video. If you notice, the car here is completely covered. So we got a completely covered car, and look at this. Look at the grass. Completely covered grass now since the last video. So things are changing. And then there's the view again of the snow coming down out of the sky. And then let's go take a look at the roads. Let's take a look at these roads right now. Not too bad. See? Not too bad at all. You can just see they're covered and they're wet at this point in time. Yeah. Not icy yet. I'm walking on the road. So the roads aren't covered yet. You definitely could feel the chill in the air. The winds are definitely cold from the north at this point in time. But again, these streets are just wet right now. We expect that to change overnight. And again, look at this winter scene across Virginia Beach as those flakes swirl toward this video, towards this camera phone. So yeah, it's coming down really well, steady. And we're expecting on the order of 3 to 6 inches overnight tonight and into tomorrow, Saturday morning, the 29th of January 2022. So that's a wrap for this evening, and we'll see what tomorrow morning holds as far as which model verifies the best. Most of the mesoscale models right now are indicating on the order of anywhere from 4 to 7 inches. Both of the NAM 3K and 12K model indicating 7 inches. The Canadian regional model indicating 6 inches. And I just made a post on social media with those amounts. So we're going to see which model comes closest to verifying tomorrow morning. All right, enjoy the winter wonderland. Dress warmly tomorrow. It's going to be very cold as that intense area of low pressure moves up the East Coast. Enjoy and stay warm, everybody.